up in this hole with some dro and some hoes. Where it's at, where the smoke, pass it left, who got dough? Got your back, right or wrong, that's a fact, that's for sure. We locked in, yeah we know, I'm on 10, I'm on go. Up on game, that's a no, all I gotta do is soak. From a drizzle to a flow, now I'm drenched head to toe. Phone a friend, let him know, keep it 1 double O. If it's packed, it's gon' go, if it's not, still get
Fuck that shit. It's time to go let them all go. Sell them high and buy them low. My niggas on going, that's facts. I stay in the back with a pack, no cap. Came off a P and it turned into racks. I stay in my lane, you can get overlap. My niggas too quick to attack. I let the metal blow. 762, it's a light show. We get the work for the low. I got the gas like Zippo. Bitch, this a rockin' no pistol. 3, 2, 1, man, a nigga about to lift off.
My nigga, that's facts, no cap. Soldier been graduated. Why you niggas hating? Know I been the greatest. And my little brother Bezel gon' shoot that little dude that play with the Lakers. We ain't running fades, we ain't barbers. I catch a nigga cap, I ain't bothered. Yeah, free or cold with the beats, my nigga. Yeah, Tia, put you on a team, my nigga. Want the feature? Pay the fee, my nigga. Blunt smokers, all they get for free, my nigga. What the fuck you thought this was? Nigga smoking nails, still catching dubs.
We gotta be more down. If this shit get litty, it's gon' fuck up your whole town. Big bro, we gotta be more down. If we get caught up, we guaranteed to hold it down. Lil' bro, he gotta be more down. Put him on some paper and I know that hoe gon' come. My youngin' gotta be more down. If this nigga hit, it's guaranteed to make no sound.
Shit, what time is it? Oh shit. Oh, I got missed video. Get that.